Hello and welcome. I wanted to just put together this video to go along with the PDF a little bit. I'm going to try to keep this as short as possible. But this is this is how simple this is. It's two steps. All right. Number one, like I said, I I decide on the traffic source I'm going to use. And I want traffic today, so I use a paid traffic strategy. Um, and it's very targeted. Okay, it's Microsoft Bing ads, and these people are at Bing looking for exactly what we have, and we could put it in front of them at that exact moment. Okay, so it's you can't get any more targeted than that, really. Um, so we're here at ClickBank, okay, and we know with Microsoft we're targeting mainly women, um, college educated, they're employed, they have kids. Um, that is the majority of the 116 million monthly views that Bing gets, and that's just Bing. That's really not sure. I don't know if that includes the Yahoo network too. Um, but anyways, let's move on here. So common sense. Let's pick a category in here that women would be interested in. Could be cooking, food and wine. Um, employment jobs, possibly health and fitness, definitely. And a no-brainer is parenting and families. Okay, so let's go ahead and click parenting and families. Right now, we're looking for a product to promote. Okay. I always make sure this is checked high to low, and you could do popularity, but I prefer gravity. The only thing you have to watch out with gravity is everybody today is building an email list. So a lot of this gravity score can come from people sending an email to their email list. So it's warm traffic. It's we're going after cold traffic. It's the first time they've ever seen our offer. It's very targeted, but it's the first time they've seen our particular campaign. So that's the idea of capturing a lead, is we then can warm up in that traffic. As that traffic sees us, remember, it takes 5 to 15 times for somebody to make a decision. So that traffic will warm up as they see us, and it increases conversions tremendously. But we'll forget all that now. We are direct linking a ClickBank offer on to Microsoft. So gravity, okay, come down here, find something that is selling. All right. Um, You see here, 57 affiliates in the last 30 days have made a sale with this. It's got some affiliate resources, which I like. Okay. So you definitely want to go look at those affiliate resource page. I'm not going to own this just to save us time on this video. Okay. But it's something I strongly suggest you do, is go ahead and if they don't have anything here, just go to the site, and usually you can scroll down to the bottom of the page, and see here it says affiliate, so you would click on that, and that would take you to the resource page, and there you can get some good stuff. A lot of these vendors, they'll share their earnings per clicks. How much they're making for each click that gets to it. It's their total amount of sales they've done divided by the clicks they've gotten. Usually, on average, it's 100 clicks, but you can figure it out for any amount of clicks. So check that out. Okay. Once you have your product, let's go back to ClickBank. Once we have our product, we then can get our affiliate link. Okay. So we get our affiliate link here. Put in your nickname. Okay. Grab your affiliate link. It's going to be that long bunch of numbers, but I'm going to show you what to do in Microsoft. All right. So we jump over to Bing Ads. Okay, let's create a campaign. Let's call it Search Content Campaign. Now listen, this stuff's important here that I'm going to go through right now. Okay, this is like an extra bonus that, I mean, people charge a lot of money for it. Okay, and you're getting it with this gig at no extra cost. So, but go ahead and name your campaign. Okay, potty training. Okay, if that's the product we're picking. Okay, or a pregnancy or health and fitness, whatever our product is. Okay, create your campaign around that. Set your where you are, your time zone. All right, this is important. Is start off with a low daily budget. Okay, some people will tell you differently. Some people will tell you $30, $50 a day. Throw a boatload of keywords, see what keywords are getting clicks, and then break those keywords down into ad groups. But the problem with that is a lot of people don't have a lot. You can go through a lot of money awful quick, and last I knew, people, it's hard for people to go out and make money. So instead of spending it all, let's start off with a small budget and grow. Okay, so $5, $10 a day max. Okay, whatever you're comfortable with, but keep it small. No more than $20 a day to start out. Once we know we are converting, we got keywords and ad groups, and we're making sales, then by all means, okay? If we can spend $5 a day and make $20 a day, well, then let's spend 10 and try to make 50, So, I mean, that's the name of the game. But always your bid strategy, do not allow it to be, don't let them adjust it, set it to manual bid, okay? And this is important as well. We want the United States only. Extremely important. We want to click this box, people only in our target location. Okay. Now, here is, you have to have a set of keywords. Okay. Let's say, we'll come down here. Okay, we'll just do some brainstorming. You can come up here to Tools, click Tools, and go to the Keyword Planner. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. We'll go ahead and open that up in a new browser. Okay, we're at the Keyword Planner now. Let's search for keywords. Alright, so we're targeting potty training, right? So let's say, we'll just use a little common sense here. We'll say, also in your affiliate resource page, when the vendor provides the affiliate resource page, a lot of times they'll include current keyword list that they use, and you can piggyback off of that as well. But let's just say potty training, let's say boys. Because potty training is too broad. I mean, you can potty train your puppy, potty train your cat, potty train your parrot, whatever. In this case, we're going after kids. So potty training boys. Okay. And targeting United States. Okay, it's fine. Let's get some results. Let's close this out. What happened here? Get suggestions. Can't display charts because keyword. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, because we got a misspelling. Potty training. Oops. Alright. See if I can. It looks bigger. Oh, come on. I don't want the big screen. I want it to be smaller. There we go. Okay, so we come down here and let's get some keywords, okay? Let's see if we can make this a little smaller so we can see. It's a little too small. Excuse me for a minute. Sorry about that. My mouse pad on this particular computer I'm using is awful sensitive. Alright, we'll just leave it at this. You might have to look in. So you see here, let's pick keywords. You want keywords, you don't want to add groups, you want keywords. So don't worry so much about the suggested bid. Okay, I don't want you to pay attention to that. It's really unimportant. Because we're going to set things up right. This is like retail traffic cost right here. We're not going to pay nowhere near that. So, okay, potty training boys. So let's start off with, this obviously has a demand. Okay, so find yourself a set of keywords. Now, this is important. Let's go back to our ad. We're going to say potty training boys here, okay? Potty training, I hit the caps lock, boys. This doesn't have to be kept with, but I don't want to waste time making my fixes in this video. Okay, so then when we write our ad, we write it compelling, something like maybe discover how to potty train your boy in 3 days flat, or something like that. You know, and you got 71 characters, play with it. Okay, now here, real quick, here is with our display URL. Okay, come to the main site. This is the product. So copy for www.startpottytraining.com. Okay, that is what we want to have here in the display URL. Okay, the landing page, the destination URL, the landing page, what we want is that ugly affiliate link that ClickBank gave us. Okay, we put that long link in here. And the display, you put where that gets forwarded to, which is the pottytrainingmethod.com. So you would put that there. Okay, and you gather yourself a bunch of keywords, and you only want to use keywords that say potty training boys in them. Okay, how to potty train a boy. Or, I mean, go back to the keyword here. We only want keywords with the word potty training in it, and maybe boys. We don't want potty training girl. We don't want baby, because that would be a separate ad group. We can create a separate ad group and then just put all baby keywords together. You know, and that will the way the algorithm works with the pay per click, that will give us the lowest cost per clicks. Okay. And then you go through and set your bids and all that. Something important too, when doing your keywords, say we're doing potty training boys, use the brackets. Put bracket potty training boys and close it with a bracket. And that will tell Bing that we are an exact phrase. We only want this exact phrase typed in to trigger our ad. We don't want any random order like training boys potty. We just want this exact keyword phrase, and that will trigger our ad. Okay, we want really relevant targeted traffic. So that's how you do it. Okay, I'm going to include a link to another training that I put together. I sold this training on the. I currently do sell it on the. I think I have it on the Warrior Plus marketplace. But I'm going to include that. I'm going to give you that for free here. Just so go through the course, and you can learn much more in greater detail. So listen, thank you so much for picking up this gig. Okay, really appreciate it, and best success to you. Talk to you soon.